Even that the last one, right? Without that one also, it will assign the value, right? Can remove everything, the bracket, colon. It does the same thing, right?
Which one word?
Yeah, that one. You can remove the bracket, colon. Does the
Yes,
same thing,
yes.
right?
But this is only to show you that
Ah,
how
okay,
that
okay,
index works actually.
okay, okay, got it, got it.
Okay, can you retrieve only world from hello world? What will you write? Try doing that. Try to
Sorry,
retrieve. Try to retrieve only world from hello world.
only word from our okay.
Only world.
Yeah, let me do that.
Yeah, I got it.
Okay. So try to do now, sir. Just take only world here. Try to retrieve only world.
Okay.
They have to put 5 colon, right? That will put
From counted
5 colon.
2, 3,
That's
4,
it.
5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Did you get the output if you put 5 colons?
Yeah,
Okay. Starting from the fifth position up to the end of
yeah.
the string.
Yeah, -5 till end of
Got
the
it now? Okay. So
Yeah.
we will write one small program here just so to make things a little more interesting. Let us write one small program. We'll create one function. Okay, that function will um, reverse any string which we give it. So let us write that function here. Let us apply this into our program. Define, give any name to this function. Let us call it as my string, and let's take one variable inside there. You also write along with me. We are just writing one
Yeah, yeah.
function, yeah, which will reverse any given string. Okay, so here inside this I will take any palindrome. Let's take Python on this. Okay, this is called indentation. Please do not forget this. When I say diff, it means that I'm defining one function here, and this function is taking one input to the function is x. What is our x? X is our given string. Okay, and then we are using the same index method to give the reverse of this particular string. And I say return from this function, the reverse of the string will be sent back. So that whatever is the reverse of the string, I'm taking it and putting in reverse underscore st. And then we are printing that reverse underscore st here. Okay, this is the meaning of that. Now, in case of Python, what happens is whenever you're writing any function or some statements like if statement and all that, you have to put whatever is part of the function that will go inside the function. To show Python that
Yeah.
it is inside the function, you have to put an indentation like this. That means you have to leave some space like this. Okay, otherwise it will give you an error. Just try this small easy program. Oh, it's a function, so we have to put our colon. Now, instead of taking Python here, can you ask the user to enter any string and then print the reverse of that? Ask the user to
Yeah.
input the string and then print the reverse of that.
Mom, I got an error.
Where you must have forgotten, check here. Did you forget to put that colon there after the function?
Yeah, ma'am, I put it.
And did you leave place like this for the
Yeah,
return?
1 second. I put minus there.
Yeah, you have to put, otherwise it will give you that indentation error.
Again, I got error. ma'am.
Yeah, I got it. So what did you ask to do?
This indent, now what I asked you to do is, inside the string, we are declaring Python, no? So now
Yes.
I want you to ask the user to input the string. And whichever string he is inputting, the reverse of the string you have to print. So here you'll have to ask it. Take one more string here. Str is equal to, you have to say input, enter any string. After that, you can put it here instead of taking Python.
I didn't
Vidya,
get
did
it.
you rectify that error?
No, ma'am.
Just read which line did you get it and what is the error you are getting. Just read that.
Yeah, ma'am. Uh, can I share my screen, ma'am?
But can you just read it? Let's see if it is a small error. We can rectify like that only. It might be a syntax error only. Just read it. Otherwise, I'll
No, ma'am, name error.
read out the error one.
Yeah. In second one, ma'am, return X.
Ah,
So I got there. And fourth one, reverse st equal to my string Python, ma'am.
okay. Did you follow the syntax properly? First of all, this is some string.
Underscore.
Yeah. Did you have to put an underscore, not a this thing dash. Dashes is not allowed. Only underscore you have to take.
Okay, ma'am.
Check that. If that is the error, then should not be a problem. Never use, because that day we learned the naming,
Yeah, yeah.
naming rules. In that we are told you should use only an underscore character, nothing else, not the dash.
No, ma'am. Again, I got it.
Okay, let's just check, see. I'll make you. You can share your screen now.
Allow me, ma'am.
Yeah. I gave you, just try now.
Yeah, ma'am.
Mm.
1243,
Yeah.
line 5.
Reverse
Remember.
spelling is wrong. Reverse spelling is wrong.
Yeah. Reverse spelling is wrong. You have spelled it as REVERSE here, and here you are calling it as REVER. So that is why it is telling you that name is not defined. Vidya, you could understand your mistake? See, whatever name you give the variable, with the same name you have to call it.
But
So
see,
you,
I have changed it.
let's see on the
No, no,
top.
no.
Reverse
Above line.
spelling is, yeah.
Copy this.
Remove the T or same copy. Copy the same one here.
All
Down
the way
also.
to T. All the way to T.
No, Vidya.
No.
Vidya, write reverse the same one what you wrote earlier. You write it again. REVERSE. Okay. Now look at print statement. Go to your print statement. See what you have written there. In the print statement, you are calling it with some other name. Okay, change that. Underscore ST. Underscore ST, no? Same name you have to use here. Underscore, you are using dash again. Is it a dash or an underscore? Okay, underscore. Underscore ST. And close the bracket. Now you enter.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. See, the thing is, whatever the variable name you are giving there, say with the same name you have to call it. Otherwise, your Python will get confused because that variable is not there.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now, I think you are having the host as disabled screen sharing. Just allow me now, Vidya. Vidya, you have to make me the host now. Otherwise, I won't be
Yeah,
able to screen. Yeah. Were you able to change this into this function? Did you change here?
No, I didn't get it.
Just try it. Now you can just take one string and say string is equal, str is equal to str1 or something like that. It is equal
Yeah.
to input enter string. Okay. And that value you, instead of giving Python here, suppose the user is entering that string that is going and getting stored in str1. So you call
STR1.
your function
Oh.
with str1. Okay, like this. So now I will give you something here. So the reverse it will give me. We want some place to be given here. We can give the T.
Batma, actually,
Ah.
suddenly I'm not able to run this commands, any command. It's just going to next line. Something.
Copy the whole command in next line and do it.
Yeah, I did the same thing. Okay,
So
let
in your
me.
Jupyter notebook, is it?
Yeah.
Oh.
Sir,
Suddenly,
just run there, sir. Once just run there, and afterwards it will come as usual.
sorry.
In up we can see run, sir.
Top, yeah.
Just run there for a few times.
Sometimes it may be, the network connection also might be weak, then also there'll be a
Oh,
lag
it's
in
just
that.
when you
Yeah.
click and run it, just adding an extra new lines means the
Acha, it is adding extra cells.
yeah extra cells, not running anything. Maybe I have to close it and open it again.
Oh.
Just let me
Okay,
leave and
whatever you have done, just try to save it now. Just go
I
to
see.
file and save it and then open it again.
Today is 22. Oh, it's simply adding lines.
Giving a blank cells, is it?
Yeah, it's just adding
Yeah,
a
just you shut it and whatever you have done, so just try to save that and then reopen Jupyter Notebook again.
yeah.
Okay, for the others, in the meantime, we have just used this index method, no? Similar to that, there is one split method also available. So we will, you can do this in the meantime while Ravi is working with his Jupyter Notebook. Okay. Now in this split method, what happens is generally you can define which you inside there is a split method which you can apply on this word, and within this semicolon you can say like supposing between hello and world there is a gap, right? There is a one empty space is there. So uh, for splitting, we can look for that empty space, and wherever there are empty spaces, we can uh, split the word. Like supposing I'll show you again here in word, after word also I'll write something. Okay, so now what is what it has to look for when it is trying to split this word? It will always look for empty space. So between hello and world there is one empty space, so hello will become one word. After that there is a